Clouds,
Big clouds,
right?
Maybe a little drizzle out there, But 24 hours from now, it's going to be pouring. That's the issue. That's really our next threat that we have on our radar. Heavy rain late tomorrow into Friday morning early, and then it kind of clears away. In fact, the weekend right now is still looking like it's going to be plenty of sunshine, but it will be windy on Saturday with diminishing winds we head for Sunday. So you can see what's happening today. We've had some scattered showers going on, really light drizzle more than anything else. Our rainmaker is really out here in Pennsylvania right now, so it has a while to get here. But what we're seeing right now is just kind of some ocean enhancement going on. That's why I say it's really drizzle more than anything else. And down to the south, tropical storm winds and rain and hurricane conditions out for Hurricane Melissa right now, a Category 1 storm. This will then track its way about 525 miles offshore. So these two storms are staying apart from each other. However, this system, that hurricane, is bringing up an extra amount of tropical moisture, which is why the rainfall totals tomorrow night, instead of being, say, ½ inch to an inch, are looking more like 1 to 2, maybe even 2 to 3 as you look toward the Cape. And then once this whole thing goes by, look what happens. It gets really strong to the north, and we bring in some cold, windy conditions, enough that there might actually be a little snow up in northern Vermont in the mountains. But it will be very windy as we start to talk about your trick-or-treat forecast. That's why I say this area 1 to 2, this area 2 to 3 inches of rain seems very possible as that system goes by. The timing on this is such that tomorrow it's a gray day. Maybe a little drizzle in the morning, spot shower here or there. But once we get late into the afternoon and toward the evening hours, now come the downpours. That's why I say this time tomorrow night, it's going to be pouring out there. And it will stay that way until early on Friday morning. This is 4 o'clock in the morning, and it's kind of clearing on out. Now, there's probably not going to be much sunshine on Friday, and there could be a spot shower here or there. But basically, for trick-or-treaters, it looks pretty good. But it will get windy. And then stay windy on Saturday, but more sunshine back into the forecast. So right now, as you look over the city, it's 50 degrees, which is fairly mild for this time of year. Winds, not that bad, out of the north right now, fairly gently, but they will be picking up. So tonight we have cloudy sky, a little patchy drizzle out there as you saw on radar, not amounting to too much, 40 inland to 50 at the coast. And then tomorrow, spot shower early, then late into the afternoon, we'll start to see that rain developing from west to east. And by evening, we got downpours coming through, 56 to 60, not a very warm day with a rain like that coming in. And then as I mentioned, the wind is going to really be picking up behind this system. And that's why for trick-or-treaters, temperature-wise, it's not that bad. We're talking about temperatures in the 50s, cooling to the upper 40s, partly cloudy skies, but the winds, they're going to be very gusty on Friday night. And you see the winds. Here are the winds that we're talking about at 11 o'clock on Thursday night, tomorrow night. They're very strong, and they don't really back off that much on Friday. So that's why Friday is still going to be a windy day out there. Saturday's still windy, but Sunday the winds do diminish. Here's what it looks like over the next 7 days. Tomorrow, an alert day because of the rain and the downpours tomorrow night. Your Friday, well, some morning rain early, and then kind of a lot of gray skies, maybe a spot shower, but you'll notice the wind. And it's fairly warm, 62 degrees. It stays windy on Saturday as the cooler air moves in. Sunday, don't forget, fall back with the clocks, and looks like sunshine, but less wind coming in. So I think of the 2 weekend days, Sunday's looking a little bit nicer. Next chance for rain, not until Tuesday of next week.